Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change new MCPE controls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so first up, to go ahead and change a control or setting. So for example, we have here setting in touch. And as you can see, it says here, load a world to customize your controls. So go ahead and open up a world. Could be any world, okay? And just wait for it to load. And then once your world opens, go ahead and tap on the information icon right here at the top, or some menu. Tap on settings, and then just go ahead over to touch. And here before, you'll have to enable new touch control schemes, okay? But now it is all available. When you go ahead and scroll down, you have control mode, joystick, and aim. Crosshair, for example, D-pad tap, it will look like this, or joystick and tap to interact, just like so. And also when you go ahead and scroll down, you have the visibility right here. It could be always visible, always hidden, or hidden when unused. Camera sensitivity right here, spyglass damping, button size medium big, sneak button behavior, and some other options. Okay, you could go ahead and reset these settings right here if you don't like it. So go ahead and scroll up. You could manually change the positioning of your controls. Maybe I'm just going to select this one, and then you go to customize. It says here, touch and drag to reposition a button. For example, this one, just drag and drop it. That one as well. It's up to you. All right, or maybe this one. It's basically that. You can change the opacity and size as well. So when you go ahead and go back, resume, here we have it. All right, that is how you change new MCPE controls. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.